Let's see archived posts on Instagram. Now, if you archived a post and you want to find exactly where it is, maybe you want to go back, you want to look at it, maybe recover it and put it back on your profile if you want. I'll show you how to find it. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps my channel out a lot. Thanks, guys. So let's hop into Instagram here, and I'm going to hit my profile at the bottom right. And I'm just going to archive a post and then show you how to find it. So I'm going to tap and hold on one of these and then just hit archive. So you can see it will disappear from my profile page. And if I want to find it, I tap the three lines at the top right and they make it really easy. There, the third option is archive. Now keep in mind there are different types of archives. There's stories archives, post archives. So at the very top you can see post archives. If it doesn't show that, you tap on it. If it says story archive, sometimes it defaults to that. All you have to do is just tap and then go back to post archive. Now you can see all of the posts that you've archived here. Keep in mind, any of these are not deleted over time. Unlike deleting something and you have 30 days to recover it, these will stay in here indefinitely as long as you have your account. And then, of course, you can always go back in here, see these posts or anything, recover them, restore them, save them, do whatever you want with those archived posts. Hope this helps. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.